Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to edit the existing file from our table. So let's go back to our application. So in here, in our RL docu, let's go to the edit button. Edit button. Okay, so we are going to transfer the content of our data grid view to the objects or text boxes in our add edit form. Okay, so in here in our AE docu, we have declared a blob variable. Okay, if you can still remember this one, a blob, and then the extension. Okay, so in our code here, we're going to um, assign the value of our blob. So frm ae docu dot blob, okay, equals dg docu dot current row dot cells. Let's check it here. Documents. Okay, so here column 2, cells 2. Okay, so cells 2 dot value, and then with also the extension frm ae docu dot axtn equals dg docu dot current row dot cells 3 dot value, and then we're going to transfer also the description frm ae docu dot um, txt description dot text equals dgdocu dot current row dot cells 1 dot value, and then we're going to set the text of the form. So frm docu dot text equals edit, and then we're going to show the form frm docu dot show dialog. Okay, so let's try it, and then we're going to edit the first one here. Edit. Okay, here. So if the user will not change the document, it means the value of the blob will still be saved in our um, table. Otherwise, if the file name will not be empty, therefore the application will save the new file being selected by the user. Okay, so example, if you just want to change this one, then you're going to save the description and then the blob, okay, and the extn being assigned to our variables. Okay, so this time we're going to put the codes. Okay, let's go back to our codes here. So in our ae docu, okay, let me just put me the dispose here. Dispose. Okay, sorry, we did dispose. Okay, and then we're going to save. Okay, so here it's not add, then it will automatically on the edit action. Okay, so the same code, we are going to copy this one, okay, here, and then if the txt file name is not empty, then we are going to do this one. Okay, if txt this file name, okay, that text is not equal to or is not empty, then we're going to execute this one. Okay, else file type, yes, and this one, and if, okay, so in here, if it's not, if it's empty, Then we're going to save the value assigned in our variables. Okay, so we'll just copy this one and we are going to change this. So this is the docu, then we're going to use the blob, okay, the value of the blob variable. And then this one, we're going to use also the value of the extn variable. Okay, so if it's empty, then you're going to do this. If it's not empty, then you're going to execute this one. Okay, and then we're going to update our record. So let's do the command text. So com.command text equals, okay, update tvl documents set, and then description equals the value of the description, and then next is our docu equals the value of the blob, oh sorry, value of the docu here, this one. Okay, docu, and then the extension xtn equals extn. Okay, and then we're going to use where clause to specify the record. Okay, so where uh, let me check it, docu id, okay, docu id, where docu id, id equals f for m or l docu dot dg docu dot current row dot cells 0, okay, that value. Okay, and then we're going to try our application. So here it will execute this one also. Okay, it will open and then execute, then close the connection. Okay, let's try it. Okay, and then we're going to modify. So I'm going to change the description. Okay, sample description, save. Okay, so there's something wrong with this. So let's check this one. The command text update tbl documents set description, and then docu, and then extn or docu id. Okay, let me try again. And we're going to edit this one, sample description, save. Okay, so we have successfully modified our record. This time we are going to modify the content, or I mean the file. Okay, so in here I'm going to change this one. So I will choose another file, this one. So I will save it. Okay, so here, okay, afterwards we're going to download. So we cannot see if the file has been changed in our table. However, we are going to download or save the file being saved in our table. Okay, we are going to save it in our drive, let's say in drive C. Okay, so let's add button here, download. Okay, so let's go back to our design view. Okay, in our RL docu, we're going to add download. I will just copy this one. So here, see download. Let me just remove the icon in the meantime. Okay, so as you click this one, the file should be saved in the drive. Okay, btn download. Okay, so here we are going to declare a variable here, dim mstream, sorry, mstream as new only sorry addodb dot stream. Okay, and then with this one, okay, with the mstream, so that type equals addodb dot binary. Okay, okay, that open, and then that write, okay, dg docu dot current row dot cells to that value, and then we're going to save that, save to file. Okay, so we're going to put it in drive C, and then okay, so the file name will be the description. Okay, example, we're going to put the description here, dgdocu.current_row.cells 1.value. So we are going to combine also the extension name of our file being saved in our table. So the extension name is dgdocu.current_row.cells3.value, and then addo addodb addodb, and then we're going to use overwrite. Okay, then end with. Okay, so we can also put notification, okay, to the user. Example, msg box. Okay, the the file has been, the document has been saved in drive C. Okay, okay, only information, and then download. Okay, so let's try it. So let's run our application, and then let's try if the file will be saved in our drive C. Okay, so I will download this one. Okay, there's something wrong with this. Okay, so let me check it. Let me change this one to drive D. Maybe there are some issues on the permission. So let me try this one. Drive D. Then let's download our document. Download. Okay. So there are some issues on the uh, permissions. Okay, so let me check in the drive D. Drive D. So sample description.doc. So here we have saved our file successfully in drive D. Okay, so that's how you edit and of course download the existing file in our um, table. Okay, so we can also edit this one. Let me choose a photo, like example is one ITeach.jpg. So let me save this one, and then I am going to download this. Download. There, let me check it in drive D again. This one, sample 2.jpg. Let's check it there. Okay, so that ends our video. So please don't forget to subscribe and follow me in my next videos. That's all, and goodbye.